Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to make a saved exercise program template to be used in the future. All of this is going to be done in under 90 seconds, so let's get started. First thing you want to do is start building an exercise program by going to the exercise tab on the top left. Today I'm going to build a basic total knee replacement program with some standard exercises and a couple equipment recommendations that I like to suggest for my patients. Now that I've completed my exercise program, I'm going to save it as a template so I can access it in the future. At the top right, there are a few icon options. We are going to click the Save icon and create a generic name that does not involve the patient's information. Now whenever we click the Save Template options on the left, it will take us to where our saved exercise programs exist. Let's pretend we are logging in for the first time today and wanted to use our saved exercise program for a patient. Simply click on the Save Template option, and as you can see, we can either email, text, or add to the HEP editor on the right side. The last two options on the right side are edit or delete your saved template. When you click on the edit, it will populate your exercises on the right and give you a pop-up warning that you are in editing mode. Now any live changes you make to your exercise program will automatically save to it, so be careful when adding or deleting exercises or equipment recommendations. To get out of this mode, simply hit the reset icon on the right side. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and look forward to seeing you next time.